Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Guys, we've broken 5,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Our next goal is 10,000. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we'll be giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So subscribe now and like the video. Okay, let's hop into this, guys. So I made a tweet this morning. I saw this from Brian Armstrong, and he writes, Brian Armstrong is the CEO of Coinbase, and he says, I don't care how messy your accounting is or how rich you are, you're definitely going to notice if you find an extra 8 billion to spend. Even the most gullible person should not believe Sam's claim that this was an accounting error. It's stolen customer money used in his hedge fund, plain and simple. I said I 100% agree and that this is despicable because it's insane that when you have the certain connections in this world that you can just get away with some of these things. It's absolutely insane, and this guy needs to be held accountable. I've been listening to the Twitter Spaces that Sam Bankman-Fried has been in, and he just skirts by with saying, "I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know." It doesn't make any sense. I can't believe he's just getting away with this. Just saying he's getting away with just saying he doesn't know, even though he was the CEO of this company. It's absurd. It's absurd. He used the stolen customer money for his hedge fund. It's just like it's in everybody's face. I just don't understand how nobody sees or how everybody sees this, but the mainstream media and whatnot doesn't want to paint it that way just because he has connections. Yeah, it's insane, guys. It's insane. But let's talk about crypto.com. So we're still trading in this formation right now. It's going to keep happening for a while unless we have a capitulation event to the upside or the downside. I believe that we're going to have, we'll probably be trading like this until we have the Federal Reserve meeting. And hopefully when Jerome pivots a little bit or is a little bit more dovish and says we're going to get a zero point 0.5 basis rate point hike instead of 0.75, then we'll probably have a little bit of volatility. But until then, guys, we're going to have this boring accumulation zone. But you know what is great about boring accumulation zones, guys? It's DCAing. It's great for DCAing and dollar cost averaging in. These are great buy zones. Inside the lower end of this channel right here between the 10 cents and the 5.5 cents is a great, great buying zone, guys. It's great. But let's talk about Bitcoin. So I want to talk about how I was going over the months of November and how we've had 4 positive months and 4 negative months as of the close of last November of last month, and we had a 28% close. So that means 4 out of the 8 past Novembers were bearish, and 4 out of the 8 past Novembers were bullish. So I mean, 28% in retrospect it makes sense. It makes sense. It seems just about the average of between the 30% and 23%. It makes sense, guys. And in my video yesterday, I was talking about when we're looking at these Heiken Nishi candles to verify these trends. Guys, we are running out of red candles. Like we can't just have red candles all day, every day. Like unless the model's broken. But Bitcoin, that would be the first for history, and then we would need to reassess our strategy. If we broke down, if we had just continuous red candles coming down like that, that'd be new. We'd have to reassess our strategy. But guys, in the past couple years, I've been diving more and more into the cryptocurrency ecosystems, like the individual ecosystems, like the CRONOS ecosystem, the Solana ecosystem. And when I first got into crypto back in 2016, 2017, people would always talk about, like these coins may come and go, but this technology is revolutionary. It's here to stay. And I didn't really quite understand that until I started to really dive into these projects and use their apps and their dApps and use the technology myself. And when I started to use it, I'm starting to realize that, not starting to, I started to realize this probably a few years ago, that this technology is here to stay. This is not going to go away. This is revolutionary. Smart contracts are absolutely revolutionary for the world. It's a beautiful thing. A trustless technology. It's beautiful, and it's not going anywhere. I don't see Bitcoin being able to come down that far. And the reason why I'm saying this is because we are running out of red candles, guys. We've had 14 red candles, we've had 13 red candles, and usually after 14 red candles, or in the range of 13 through 15 red candles, we have our bottom. We have our bottom in. And like I've been saying, is that is leading into the Bitcoin halvening hype, and these blue lines are the Bitcoin halvenings. 365 days leading up into the Bitcoin halvening, we're gonna have some hype, and I believe that the bottom is, if it's not already in, we're very very close to having it in. I mean, let's look at the crypto heat map. We broke above 17,000 yesterday over on Bitcoin, and we're trying to find a bottom. We're trying to trade sideways and find a bottom, but I really think that 15,500 will be really difficult to touch back down there unless we have another catastrophic event, or if the Federal Reserve comes out and says, hey guys, we're going to keep just laying into you with these 0.75 rate hikes. Because, I mean, it could happen. It could happen. The Federal Reserve does know what it's doing. I'd like to think they have over 200 professional economists that have so much experience. I mean, I would like to hope that they know what they're doing and that they don't just destroy the economy completely and destroy all risk-on assets. But Jerome Powell just came out the other day talking about, in the Fed Minutes, talking about how he was being a little bit dovish. He was saying that they're thinking about lightening up the rate hikes. That's dovish. That's dovish. Even though they're still going to be putting rate hikes, raising the rates, and they're going to keep throwing them at us, if he's lowering them, it's bullish, which is pretty funny that we're conditioned to that point. But there's a lot of opportunity, guys. There's a lot of opportunity, especially with crypto.com, to be dollar cost averaging in. I'm accumulating. I've almost reached my bear market goal for crypto.com. Let me know in the comment section below if you make a guess, make an estimate of what you think my bear market goal for accumulating crypto.com CRO Coin is. I'm really curious to see what you guys have to say. But there are a lot of opportunities. I am getting ready to long based on, I want to know what the Federal Reserve is going to say. If they are not going to be doing a 0.75 basis rate point hike, I'm going to be prepared to make a long. And if you want to do that, go to the bottom of this video, and we have lots of referral links. We have lots of free money to be taken advantage of. We have Binance, a $600 sign-up bonus. All you have to do is KYC, sign up, and you have up to $600 you can get. And then for leverage trading, you can use BitGet or Femex, and if you register, deposit, open a trade, you're eligible for up to $4,500 and $4,100 on each of these platforms. There's definitely a lot of opportunities to be taken here in this bear market, guys. These exchanges want people to come in, and they want to show that they are a reputable exchange, even through thick and thin. When things are going really bad, they want to show that they're going to be around, that you can trust them. There's a lot of opportunity, guys. Check it out. But, guys, it's boring right now. It's boring. It's boring for a lot of altcoins. But if you look through and read through the lines, you can see that there's so much positive news and positive opportunities to be taken right now. This is an amazing time to accumulate long term. An amazing time for Bitcoin, for the projects you truly believe in. I personally am laying into Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto.com, and I'm playing with Solana because I believe in the Solana NFT ecosystem. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please give me a like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And have a great day.